In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a thread from a message in Discord. To get started, open Discord in Chrome by going to discord.com/app, then sign in if needed, and enter the server where you want to work. Once you're inside the correct server, head to any text channel that contains the message you want to use. This method is helpful when you want to keep a side conversation organized without cluttering the main channel, especially if the topic only relates to one specific message. Now find the message you want to turn into a thread. You don't need to click it right away, just move your cursor over the message and a small message toolbar will appear. This toolbar usually shows several quick actions, and one of them is the thread option. If you don't immediately see all the icons, give it a second and make sure your mouse is directly over the message area. Next, click the hashtag style create thread icon from that message toolbar. When you select it, Discord will open a thread setup area on the right side of the screen. This is where you create a focused discussion connected to that original message. Threads are useful because they let you continue a conversation in a cleaner, more organized space, while still keeping the original channel easier to read. Once the thread panel opens in the right sidebar, type a title for your thread. Choose a name that clearly describes the topic so anyone looking at it can quickly understand what the discussion is about. A simple, specific title usually works best, especially if multiple threads may be created in the same channel over time. After entering the title, you'll be ready to continue the conversation inside that thread. If you're using threads regularly, a good habit is to name them based on the subject of the original message rather than something too vague. That makes them much easier to find later, and that's all it takes to create a thread from a message in Discord using Chrome. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference when you want to keep conversations tidy and easier for everyone in the server to follow.